Hi everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of Papercraft Society Kit 33, slowly catching up. This one here has been designed by Lisa Horton, so I can't wait to see what's inside. I've not long received this from the mailman, so I'm literally seeing this for the first time as I do this video. Beautiful florals on the front, and you've got your gold foiling there. Anybody that's new to the channel, new to Papercraft Society, the front of the pack, like the box, the design is usually an indication of what's inside, like the color palette and things like that. So first of all, we've got all good things come to those who craft, and that's from Lisa. So I'm going to start with the envelope, and then we've got some more goodies in the tissue paper there. So we've got another gorgeous color and design there on the front. So you get your 3 pockets. You can share your makes, use the hashtag Papercraft Society. So creative minds are rarely tidy, very true. I'm a crafter, what's your superpower? And then we've got craft makes everything better, even Mondays. It's actually a Monday that I'm filming this, so yeah, that's very true. So we'll start with the stamps and the dies, because these, I can definitely see that these coordinate, and then I will go through the rest there. So just got a piece of paper here so you can see. So we've got a gorgeous, very large flower here, and then we've got all different parts of it. So it's looking like you can layer this and, you know, turn it into a decoupage. So you've got this part here is like this section here. This one is this part here. And then you've got a single petal there as well. So you can use that to build up on top or around here. You've got this smaller one as well, so you can add that to this stem, and you've got the extra leaves there as well. And you've got nice bold sentiments. So we've got B, and then we've got birthday, moments, anniversary, you deserve it, choose time, and you make me so. And I guess that's going to go with the die here, which is happy. So you can mix and match and make your own sentiments. And then you've got lots of dies there which coordinate with obviously these parts. So you can see you've got, yeah, so you can cut just the bottom section and then build up differently there. That die will cut there. You can cut this separately, and then you can cut the leaves, but obviously you can cut those leaves just with plain green cardstock as well. Same with these ones, and then, you know, use your inks and things like that and just lay them down again so you can see them a bit better there. Some nice big sized stamps and dies there, and then we've got a stencil which is the same as the die set, so you can see it lines up perfectly there, and with that one, all of the leaves, so you can do some nice stencil techniques and details there, and I know that that's all going to be explained to us in the booklet. Also in the pocket here, you've got your pattern papers. So these ones are, looks like a watercolour wash. That's a wood grain actually, so maybe they are all different. Oh no, they are different. So we've got 2 sheets of craft card. Then we've got 2 sheets with the wood grain in the green and the grey colour. Then we've got the pink, 2 pink, and then 2 lighter pink in a watercolour wash. So we've got a real nice mix there. Bring it down so you can see it all. Okay, so that's everything in the envelope. Okay, so first of all, we've got 3 ink cubes here. We've got lovely colours, fat there, kind of the colours for my own branding, so I would love those. It's nice to get the inks. I'm glad that they don't do them now in every box. It is down to the designer. We've all got lots of inks, but I guess if you're starting up, then they are handy to have, and I've got quite a nice selection myself now. So you have got the 3 ink cubes there. These, as far as I'm aware, they're still the hybrid inks, so they will work with your alcohol markers and with your, you know, coloured pencils and things like that, so you can use them across the board. That is a real bright, let's just see, let me do a quick swipe of each colour, because sometimes they can, you know, be different to what's on the cube. They're nice and juicy. You've got a nice bright pink there, and then there's a little bit of tape on the back so it stops it all falling out. We've got a nice teal colour, and then I don't want to contaminate this lovely yellow. There we go. So it's more of a fluorescent yellow actually. I don't think I've got an ink pad yellow, you know, that bright. So yeah, nice. You can see they look really good together. So 3 ink cubes, and then in here It sounds like sequins, but what kind, I do not know. It's a real mixed bag, literally. Let me just tip some out here so you can see you've just got every colour going there. So you can use those, you know, on all kinds of projects. But you've got a lot of, quite a rainbow, I would say, of sequin colours there. Try and get those all back in. I will decant them. I've got some little, they're like the old spice jars, so I mix and you know, use those for like my sequins and things, so I'll be adding them there. So then we've got coordinating cardstock. So we have, again, lovely hot pink, the teal, in fact it's the colours of the ink pads. There we go. So we've only got one pink, two teal and one yellow. So whether that's supposed to be that way, I don't know. Anyway, they're double-sided and white core. So again, if you're using your embossing folders, you like to distress your cardstocks and you'll get that white coming through. It looks really nice. Then we've got a white pencil. I haven't looked at the contents yet, so I don't know exactly what it is. It could be a pickup tool. We'll see. Let's pop all this to one side so you can see the inspiration. So this is your little booklet. So in here we'll have the contents. It's usually a little interview with the designer and then all of the inspiration. There's usually around 16 different projects. So on the front here you can see this lovely shadow box card that's been used with the flower die there. So like I said, quick little intro. Okay, let's just double check what this one is. So F is sequins and the pickup pencil. So it is. It's got a sticky wax feel to it, so it was going to pick up all of those sequins easily, so you can apply them to the card or whatever it is you're making. And then there's the interview with Lisa, so you can find out a little bit more. You can see the colours here, how they look mixed, because obviously you've got the pinks and the yellows, so you're going to get orange tones, so that's going to look really nice as well. You can see the blue, well, it's the teal colour there that's been used, but just a very light application. All step-by-steps on how to make them. I'm not going to show everything because there's some really cool 3D projects. I'm going to keep those as a surprise. And then we've got these ones here, which have been, well, this one's got the focus with the craft card. Looks really nice, but I love how that's been embossed in the white. And then that's really pretty. And that's been embossed with gold. And then the inks have been used. Because, sorry, they're hybrid inks because you can use them with water as well. So you can, yeah, you can do everything with them really, which is good. And then again, the steps to show you how to make those. And then we've got some more inspo there. And again, I think, oh, that is it. So that's nice the way they've used the leaf detail there. So that's just a little peek into the book there, so you can get an idea of the kind of things that you can make. So that's everything inside the Papercraft Society Kit 33. Like I said, this one's been designed by Lisa Horton. This one is available for open stock, so I will share a direct link to this kit below if you'd like to get your hands on it. Maybe it's the first time you've had a card making kit and you'd like to try one out. If you want to find out more about the Papercraft Society, they do lots of different subscription packages. You can subscribe for the whole year. You can subscribe for 6 months and quarterly. You can also do month to month, so you can see ahead who the designer is going to be and then choose if you want to subscribe just for that box. And you can also pause your subscriptions as well. Maybe there is a box coming and it's not really your style, but you still want to keep your subscription, you can do that. So they've got lots of different choices there for you. And I'll share the link to the Papercraft Society below as well. So thank you as always for watching, and I'll be back again soon. Bye.